Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a soccer ball or a football, whatever you call it, inside Blender. So let's get started. I have enabled my screencast key, so whatever key I type, a shortcut key would be visible for you on the left hand bottom side, so keep an eye on that. I will just take our cube, I will just press X, I will delete it. Then we will have to add an icosphere, so just go to add mesh, icosphere, then just go to this modifiers tab, just click on add modifier, search for subdivision surface, click on add and just click on apply as well. Once that is done, the next thing is we will have to go to edit mode, just zoom in, select the edge mode over here, and we will select this what this is, pentagon, or I don't know what this shape is, so we'll just select this kind of a shape, so something like this. Okay, once this is selected, just go select, and here you will have to select similar, and here you will have to select face angles. Then just press command B or control B, and then you just have to just a little bit of bevel. Okay, so this much is enough. Then come over here, add one segment to it as well. Once that is done, you will have to press command minus or control minus, so that the inner segment is selected. Once that is selected, you have to press option S, or I think alt S on Windows, I don't know. Once you press that, just move it a little bit in, so yeah, something like this. Then again you will have to select that pentagon, so I'll just zoom it a little bit. Make sure you select the right edge and don't select the scaled in edge. So this something like this, over here this, over here this, not, I have selected the wrong one. I'll select this and this. Okay, so once you select that, again you will have to go to select similar and face angles. Then again you have to do command B, so just do a little bit, yeah, this much is enough. Then here you will have to scroll down, click on this plus button, click on new. Let me wait for my PC to catch up. Okay, and here you can name it as white. Click on assign, this is important, click on assign, then change the okay, so it is already white color, so yeah, if you want to change the color you can do that as well. Then you will have to go to face mode, and again you will have to select a pentagon as well over here, so I'll just select this particular part. Then again you will have to do select similar, and here you will have to click on area. Then here change the threshold to something like 0.05. Okay, so here you can see only this part is selected. Again go to object mode, come over here, select the what do you call it, the material. Again click on this plus button over here, click on new, and here I will change the name to black. Okay, I think I messed it up. I'll just do command Z because we need that particular thing. Okay, I'm not working. Okay, I actually needed that, so it's okay. So what I'll do is I'll just name this as black. Okay, let me go to this particular viewport shading. Okay, so it is still completely white. I'll go back to edit mode, I'll select this. Okay, so this is selected. So yeah, I think because I went to edge object mode, it was not showing it to me, so it is selected. Now I will just change the base color to black. Okay, and click on assign as well, and also I think viewport display also you can change it to black, so yeah, something like this. Okay, then you can go to object mode, so yeah, it looks better now. I just want to rotate this. This is not necessary. If you want to follow, you can follow. Just click on animation and you can just press I. So here you can see it has added all the keyframes for us, and it starts. I'll just move this to 0 And again also I will expand this particular part. I'll just move this little bit up. I'll move this little bit up. Okay, so this is already from 0, so I don't have to worry about it. Also if you go over here, this one, yeah, so the frames is 24 frames per second. I will make it 25. Now what I'll do, I'll just go to 100, not 100, yeah, 100 seems fine. Then I'll just go back to our object and I'll change the rotation to 360. Same over here as well. For Y you can change whatever value you feel like. You can change the location as well, X as well, and make sure you click on this, otherwise your keyframe won't be selected. You will see something like this. Then I'll come to 200, I'll make it 0 over here as well, and I'll just click on this. Then here I will just go to 300. Yeah, 300 approx is fine. So 300, then again I'll make it at 360, 360, and I'll just click on this again. So yeah, now if I just press my space bar, here you can see my ball starts rotating. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.